Finding an agent for service of process in Louisiana. When it comes to legal proceedings in Louisiana, one of the important steps is to identify an agent for service of process. This agent serves as a representative of your company or organization for legal notifications and paperwork. It's important to find a reliable and professional agent who can handle this responsibility effectively, especially if you're not located in Louisiana. In this post, we'll discuss the steps you can take to find an agent for service of process in Louisiana. Understand the role of an agent for service of process. Before you start searching for an agent, it's important to understand what this role entails. An agent for service of process is an individual or entity that accepts legal paperwork on behalf of a company or organization, and ensures that the papers are delivered to the appropriate person or department. This service is required for all companies that are registered in Louisiana, as it helps to ensure legal compliance and responsiveness. Choose an agent for service of process. You have a few options for finding an agent for service of process in Louisiana, including hiring a professional service, selecting a registered agent, or appointing an individual who lives in Louisiana. Professional services are particularly popular with companies that have multiple locations or complex legal needs. They typically provide a range of services beyond agent for service of process, including document delivery, mail forwarding, and electronic document management. Registered agents are individuals or entities that are listed with the Secretary of State in Louisiana, and who have agreed to accept legal notifications and documents on behalf of your company. If you prefer to appoint an individual, they must be over the age of 18, a resident of Louisiana, and agree to accept legal notifications on your behalf. Determine the cost and requirements. The cost of hiring an agent for service of process in Louisiana will depend on the type of agent you choose, the level of service you require, and any additional services you need. In general, you can expect to pay an annual fee of $125 to $200 for a registered agent in Louisiana. Professional agent services may charge a higher fee for their comprehensive list of services. Before you choose an agent, make sure to research the costs thoroughly and understand any requirements for the appointment. File the appropriate documents. Before you can appoint an agent for service of process in Louisiana, you'll need to file the appropriate documents with the Secretary of State. This typically involves submitting an application for service of process, along with a payment for the annual fee, and a certificate of existence or authority that verifies your company's registration status. Once the documents are filed and processed, you can appoint an agent in writing, and list their name and contact information on your company's annual report or other state-mandated filings. Consider the benefits of professional services. While appointing an individual or registered agent may seem like a simple and cost-effective solution, there are numerous benefits to hiring a professional service for your company's agent for service of process needs. These services can save you time and money by providing a reliable and efficient way to manage legal notifications, process paperwork, and maintain compliance with Louisiana state laws. They can also act as a mediator in legal disputes, providing your company with an objective third party that can help resolve conflicts without involving costly legal action. Appointing an agent for service of process is an important step in complying with Louisiana state laws, and ensuring that your company can respond promptly and effectively to legal notifications and paperwork. By understanding the role of an agent, choosing the right type of agent, determining the cost and requirements, filing the paperwork, and considering the benefits of professional services, you can ensure that your company is in good hands. With a reliable and professional agent, you can focus on what matters most, growing your business. Please be aware that we are not legal experts. This article is intended for educational purposes only. If you need assistance with a legal process service, we strongly suggest contacting a local attorney in your area. It is crucial to remember that laws concerning process serving may differ from state to state. Resources: Louisiana Secretary of State, Lafayette Process Servers LLC, New Orleans, Louisiana office. Call us 504-210-8344. Lafayette Process Servers LLC, Lafayette, Louisiana office. Call us 337-247-9027. Lafayette Process Servers, Baton Rouge, Louisiana office. Call us 225-243-9669.